Welcome to the world of precision and versatility. Step into the realm of Devil and Dove Creations, where we harness the power of the CNC 3018 Pro Max 3-axis desktop DIY mini wood router. This marvel of technology brings intricate designs to life with remarkable accuracy, carving into wood and plexiglass alike. Imagine a 3D wooden masterpiece, an art piece etched by the hands of technology itself. The journey from design to programming to the final carving is a dance of precision. Custom signage, decorative items, personalized gifts, unique art pieces, you name it, the CNC 3018 Pro Max can create it. With Devil and Dove Creations, your ideas aren't just dreams, they're our next project. We don't just carve materials, we carve possibilities. Dare to imagine with us and the CNC 3018 Pro Max. In a world of precision, we're your partners in creation. Welcome to Devil and Dove Creations.